is there any calculator or Excel sheet to do the maths that you mentioned in the session? Yes, there are Excel sheets that we have built in our course. They are the financial system that we have built to map everything with regard to finances. Example, we keep talking about diversification. I'm just giving an example. We keep talking about diversification. We keep saying, okay, that, we should not put all eggs in one basket. So we should not invest all the money in one investment. But how do we map how much percentage of our money is invested in which instrument and how the diversification has to happen? Now you need a proper tool to map diversification. So we have built proper tools in our course and community to map diversification and different aspects of investing and finances. So, yes, Excel sheets, calculators are needed. However, you don't need any math skills or any technical skills. You just need to know how to type in an Excel. That's it. If you know how to type, that is what you need.